Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today, Transport Canada effectively shut down tourist droning in Canada. So up until today, unless you were flying a sub 250 gram drone like a Mavic Mini, you required an SFOC to fly your drone if you were not a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident of Canada. So you needed to apply for this thing. It's called a Special Flight Operations Certificate. You had to apply about 4 to 6 weeks in advance because that's how long it took to process it. You had to have a lot of paperwork and procedural stuff behind you in order to fly here. Whether you were flying recreationally as a tourist or a temporary resident in Canada, or you were doing it for a work assignment or for research. Any reason at all to fly a drone over 250 grams, you needed an SFOC. So today, Transport Canada issued the following statement on the drone safety website, and I'll read it exactly. Please note, we are currently not accepting SFOC applications from visitors to Canada looking to fly recreationally. This change does not affect foreigners requesting an SFOC for commercial purposes. This temporary restriction will be reevaluated in January 2021. So what does this mean? Well, first of all, it is yet another example of how Transport Canada, for whatever reason, is unable to deliver a program that meets its own regulations. In particular, it is now differentiating between commercial and recreational operations, one of the key pillars of the 2019 RPAS regulations. It negatively impacts tourism, foreign students studying in Canada, those working here under work visas, and new immigrants to Canada. And it does even more to emphasize the advantage of sub 250 gram drones like the Mavic Mini. These drones are not affected by this restriction. They conclude with the following statement, for which I have to apologize as a Canadian on behalf of Transport Canada. We apologize for any inconvenience. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below, and drop me a comment. Thanks again.